What should we post and when and how often?
Okay, so let's definitely first talk about with regard to people's distaste for Facebook, especially stylists.
Okay.
Um, the stylist community is naturally, I mean, for the most part, drawn to Instagram. And it makes sense why. Hair is a visual medium. It
Definitely.
pops out in the Instagram form. Plus, everyone, everyone who's a hairstylist knows their favorite stylist. They know their favorite hair shows. Those things pop on Instagram because they build trends and they build following, and you don't have to live near them. You know, stylists got to remember that, yeah, you may like using, let's say, TikTok, or you may like using, let's say, Instagram, and you like using those platforms so it feels natural to post there. However, you as a stylist go to the watering hole of Instagram to get inspired.
Right.
You're not advertising to stylists. You're advertising to Jennifer, mom of three, who lives 2 streets down from you, but
Nice.
still doesn't know you do hair.
Perfect. Yeah.
Jennifer doesn't care what Vidal Sassoon quote you have hung on your wall.
Right.
That deep into the hair industry. You know, your big understanding of why Facebook, it works is the pushback I get too. I hate Facebook. I just don't like it. And I go, really? How many friends do you have? And they're like, 300. And I'm like, well, that's why
Or
you
less.
hate it.
Or
You
less.
hate, or less, right? You hate Facebook because you got a Facebook 10 years ago in high school and you filled it with a bunch of fake friends that you didn't like then. You weren't your real self on Facebook. You were hiding from it. And now you have a bunch of fake friends on Facebook that isn't real, and they don't know the real version of you, and you don't post, so they don't follow your successes. They're not cheering you on, and you don't like them anyway because you don't know the real version of them. So every time you roll past their story, you're like, ugh, this person, ugh. That's, of course, close out Facebook, go to Snapchat. However, there are tons of people that's not their experience on Facebook. Tons of people, like, if you ask why do you stay on Facebook? Well, my family's on Facebook. Right. Everybody's family on Facebook, which means everybody's on Facebook. I don't care what else anyone says. Jennifer down the street is on Facebook because her mom only knows how to use Facebook, and her mom only pictures the grandkids on Facebook. So Jennifer's posting pictures of her grandkids where? On Facebook. And that's where you need to fish, because that's where Jennifer is. And that Jennifer, she needs her hair done, and she lives near your salon.